Right, okay, now then, so this is Sherpa's top tip on muesli. Not exactly making your own muesli, but making muesli simple and tasty with other muesli and stuff that's already on the market. So first of all, first thing you need for Sherpa's muesli is a container, a big container, mixing container. This comes from Morrison's. Costs £3. Right, then you have your base for your muesli. So you've got this, basically the way I do it, there's a choice of two. There's this from Tesco's, no sorry, this from Sainsbury's and this from Tesco's. They're basically exactly the same and they cost exactly the same, so it makes no difference, but either or. So first things first, get that open. Try not to chuck too much on the floor. Get that in your tub. Right, step 2 is these mixed nuts and raisins. They're Tesco's. It's £2 for that bag of nuts and raisins, and they're good. There's Brazil nuts, pecans, peanuts, big juicy currants in there, hazelnuts and almonds and peanuts in there. Get that in. Stick your lid on. There you are. That's Sherpa's muesli. It's good, it's tasty, it's way cheaper and tastier than other bought stuff. Not too much sugar in it. So right, okay, so that's 1 packet of nuts and 1 packet of muesli. Normally I'd mix up another one of them in there and another bag of nuts in there as well. Job's a good one. I mean, it's a challenge as well. If somebody else has got a better way of making muesli, let me know. Sort of homemade muesli without too much faff. I want to know about it. But when you do the sums, it's a pretty cheap way of making muesli and that. Over and out. Remember where you saw it last.